Hello guys, myself Chaitali and you are watching Dear Coders. Today we are starting with the new course HTML5 which consists of more than 20 videos. So this video series is specially crafted for absolute beginners and those who have basic idea about HTML. In this video series, first we'll see introduction of the HTML, then we'll run our first HTML code. Then we will learn about the HTML elements and attributes. Then we'll go through the some of the HTML tags which consist of heading, paragraph, link, image, then tables, lists and forms. Then we'll go through the block level and inline level elements. Then we'll see some of the text formatting in the HTML, like we can make the text bold, italic, etc. So we'll learn about that. Then we'll see what are the semantic elements in HTML. Then as HTML will show this like structure on the web page, but as style is also important. So we'll see about some styles and CSS in HTML. Then we'll see class and ID attributes in the HTML. Then like there are some more tags like favicon, quotation and citation. Then also we will learn how to add the comments in the HTML document. Then what are the iframes in the HTML and how JavaScript can be inserted into HTML. Then we will see HTML style guide, like what all rules we have to follow while write the HTML code. Then emojis in the HTML, and after going through all these concepts we will build project using HTML and the basic CSS. So we'll catch up in video series. Thanks for watching.